So this is a free tool. It is called Samsung FRP tool version 1.6. Yes, 1.6. So I'm going to bypass this FRP. This FRP of Samsung S8 Plus. FRP of Samsung S8 Plus. What you do, just to enter USB, insert USB cable. After inserting USB cable, turn on this, stop, wait to turn on. First dial here. Yes. So you have to turn on this here.
Hati nyingi ambapo kwa stura pora na itura kwa chakara. Ngora zayo. Mbona waza kuuza itara restaurant kwa?
Kuyamba umusizi. Dikora ngo. Ariko atana kuyamba. Steady. All right. So here they are asking you to dial this. They are asking you to dial star hash 0 star hash. Yes. Then here I come here and tap. Here they tapped it. They're asking us to press OK. The button. Yes. I've placed it. Yes. So it's come again. It's come again. It's come again. So they are asking us to dial. We have already dialed it. Yes, here. Now this press yes. Press OK. Kwata kubuli. Penda kwata yo. They are asking us to press OK. Waiting for OK button here. I've already placed it. Earlier. Now they are finished rebooting. See? Every day I go. So let's wait.
Hello.
And they are saying that we are done. Yes. Yes. Assalamualaikum. Salam. Kajina. See? Since you did, you see the magic here. Don't worry about the magic. Keep wait. This tool is free. This tool is free. Now it is now done. So FRP is now removed. Seriously, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more latest updates. Assalamu alaikum. Don't forget this tool is free. The version is Samsung FRP tool version 1.6. Assalamu alaikum.